Ever been stuck needing to send money but your wallet's at home? We've all been there. Maybe it's splitting a dinner bill with friends, a last-minute birthday gift for a loved one, or even helping out a family member in a pinch. In today's digital age, the need for quick and easy money transfers is more important than ever. But what if the funds you need aren't readily available in your checking account? Fear not, fellow Capital One credit card holders. There might be a solution you haven't considered: using your Capital One credit card for money transfers. Now, before you jump in and start swiping, there are some key things to understand. This video will break down everything you need to know about sending money with your Capital One credit card. We'll cover the different methods available, the associated fees, and some crucial tips to keep in mind before you go digital money distributor. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore the world of credit card money transfers with Capital One. Capital One and money transfers, exploring the options. First things first, Capital One itself doesn't offer a direct money transfer service using your credit card. However, there are a couple of indirect methods you can consider. Zelle, this popular peer-to-peer, P2P, payment platform is integrated with the Capital One mobile app. While Zelle itself doesn't allow credit card transfers, you can use the funds in your checking or savings account linked to your Capital One credit card to send money to friends and family. Remember, this involves transferring money from your bank account, not directly from your credit line. Third-party money transfer services. Several online money transfer services like Venmo or Cash App allow users to link their credit cards for transactions. But here's the catch: these services typically charge fees for using a credit card, which can be a hefty percentage of the transfer amount. It's crucial to check the specific fees associated with each service before proceeding. The not-so-pretty side: fees and considerations. While using your credit card for money transfers might seem like a convenient solution, there are some significant drawbacks to be aware of. Cash advance fees. Capital One, like most credit card issuers, considers money transfers a cash advance. This means you'll be slapped with a hefty cash advance fee, typically ranging from 3% to 5% of the transfer amount, on top of a potentially higher interest rate compared to regular purchases. Interest charges. Cash advances accrue interest from the moment you make the transfer, unlike regular purchases that typically offer a grace period. This means you'll start accumulating interest right away, adding to the overall cost of the transfer. Credit limit impact. Money transfers eat into your available credit limit. So, if you have a maxed out or nearly maxed out credit card, this option isn't available. Additionally, a high credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit used compared to your limit, can negatively impact your credit score. So, when does a credit card money transfer make sense? Given the fees and drawbacks, using your Capital One credit card for money transfers should be a last resort. Here are some situations where it might be a viable option, but proceed with extreme caution. True emergencies. If you're facing a genuine emergency and absolutely need to send money immediately, a credit card transfer might be your only option. However, remember, you'll be dealing with high fees and interest charges, so this should be a last resort after exploring all other avenues. Small, manageable amounts. If you absolutely must use your credit card, consider transferring a small amount you can realistically pay back within the next billing cycle to avoid significant interest charges. Smarter money transfer alternatives. Before resorting to a credit card transfer, consider these safer and more cost-effective options. Link your checking account. Most money transfer services allow you to link your checking account directly, avoiding credit card fees and interest charges. Peer-to-peer with debit card. Platforms like Zelle, when used with your linked debit card, offer a convenient and fee-free way to send money to friends and family. Bank transfers. While not always the fastest option, transferring money directly from your Capital One checking or savings account can be a secure and low-cost alternative. Remember, responsible credit card usage is key to maintaining a healthy financial standing. Using your credit card for money transfers should be a well-considered last resort, with a full understanding of the associated fees and interest charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially informed.